Morning students. In this video going to learn about atomic structure. Last chapter we have studied anything around us is matter and is made up of molecules. The molecules are combination of atom of different element or atom of same element. So atom is a smallest particle. How it is very small? Atom is 1 and 1000 times smaller than the thickest hair, that is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. For example, pencil, the size of pencil is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and the red blood cells, the size is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. Virus size is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter. Dust particle size is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. The atom size is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. That is very minute particle. Next we are going to discuss about the evolution of idea of an atom. Many scientists have studied the structure of atoms. So only we have few scientists and their postulates we are going to learn. One is Dalton, another one is Thomson and Rutherford. So we are going to learn one by one. The ancient Greek models of atom. Ancient Greek models of atoms. The first scientist and philosopher, Democritus and Aristotle. Democritus said all matters consist of small particles that cannot be divided, so atoms are indivisible. So in Latin words, atom called as atomus. What is the meaning of atomus? Means indivisible. So said there were 3 different types of atoms. Atoms are in the form of liquid, solid, gas. Liquid can smooth and round, solid rough and prickly. Aristotle thought all substance built from earth. Aristotle thought all the substance built from earth. There are the 4 substances. One is fire, air, earth and water. Next we are enter into the Dalton's atomic model. John Dalton, England, studied gas and pressure evidence for atom. So measured mass of element that combine to form compound, showing compound have a fixed composition. Dalton measures the mass of an element or compound and it has a fixed composition. Dalton atomic theory. So Dalton proposed that the theory that all matters is made up of individual particles is called atom, which cannot be divided, that is indivisible. atom cannot be divisible. So what are the main points of his theory? All elements made up of atom. So atom of same element have same mass. Atom of different element have different mass. Compound have more than one elements. More than one element combined to form a compound. In a particular compound, atoms combine in the same way always. So the important Dalton postulates or idea of his theory. So once again I repeat that all matter is made up of a tiny indivisible particle is called atom. All the atom of given element are identical. The atom of different elements differ from one another. The atom of different elements is differ from one another. The atom from different elements combine in simple whole number ratio to form a compound. The atoms from different elements combine in a simple whole number ratio to form a compound. Atoms retain their identity during the chemical reaction. These are the main postulates or idea of Dalton atomic theory. And his theory does not propose anything about the changes. It was not able to explain many of the properties of atoms of substance or matter. These are the drawbacks of Dalton model. Next, we are going to learn about the Thomson model of atom. He developed during the year 1890s the Thomson model, otherwise called as plum pudding model. So he compared an atom to a watermelon. Atom has the positive charged part like the red part of watermelon, and it are embedded the seeds or negatively charged particle are called electron. So watermelon is an example. So inside the watermelon they have the red part. So the red part taking as a positive charged particle, and in this red part they embedded as seeds. They have so many seeds embedded on the red part. That seeds is taking as a negative charge, that is called electron. So according his theory, the positive charge is equal to negative charge. So atom is electrically neutral. So atom as a whole does not have any resultant charge because it have equal electron and equal number of proton, positive and negative charge. So resultant charge is net charge is 0. So Thomson, the great contribution was to prove that electron have the negative charge by his cathode ray experiment. Is find out electron have negative charge, prove that by the cathode rays experiment. In higher class we are going to learn detail. Thank you, students.